You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. Wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you are check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now, people, recent time we see a bag of people have found out and say, yo, producer rob them, you see me, artists rob them, this rob them, that rob them. The most recent case is with Silk Boss and Terradan, where Silk Boss is saying that Terradan rob him. Now we see a similar case coming up right now between Gage and a popular YouTuber. Now people, Gage claims say the YouTuber I rob him and I make money off of his song and he's not making any money from his song. Me don't know all that. But we are going to talk about it. Can a regular YouTuber like me rob an artist? All that when me not have no affiliation with the artist. That makes sense? Me don't know. We are going to talk about it after this.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Now people, we see Gage post up a bag of things on his Instagram today. And me I go read out some of what him post. After a meeting and sitting with representative of JR Publishing Company, I found out that if the song was not uploaded by you or your label, or if it was not distributed by the main distributors, you are not getting nothing from it. The owner of the YouTube page will be the one collecting. I don't make this shit up. I only knew about a month ago. Then he went ahead in the comment section and said, "Don't come tell me nothing. Do you think people just upload on a song because them rate you? It's because them are gonna get paid. Simple as that. All Jaja, this are the part of me can't understand what I'm saying. All YouTube platforms are monetized or on the way to be monetized. That is so wrong, brother. So wrong. Anyway, we are going to explain it now. So with that information now, according to Gage, he must say Accuse rob him. Now people, Accuse is like a YouTube music distributor, if that makes sense. Accuse owns a regular YouTube channel with over 1 million subscribers and him just upload music. Now let me explain this clear for the people who really know about music and really understand how YouTube work. Before Vivo, and we are going to talk about Vivo in a few, alright? So before every artist had their Vivo page, and in the earlier days of YouTube, so regular people like me would have just upload songs on YouTube. And it became such a thing where artists used to actually pay the YouTuber to upload their songs, which that's still going right now. It's still going. So you used to have YouTubers like Accuse Entertainment, Javi Crush Road, JJ Everfrost was a very common one, and a few, I don't want to name it out because the list is long. But their job was to just upload music on YouTube. Now people, from about 2008, somewhere there, once you upload music on YouTube, you cannot earn from that music. Let me repeat. Once you upload a music, you're uploading a track on YouTube, you cannot earn any revenue from that track. Alright. So the YouTubers them like Crush Road, Javis Crush Road, JJ Everfrost, Accuse, them never did make no money off YouTube, but them learn how to monetize their platform to make it work for them. So while them now make money directly off YouTube, you have artists, producers would have link them and say, yo, upload this to me. them charge a small fee, like probably $50 or $100. Me not sure. But them charge a small fee. Over on the reggae side, you have a page name Reggaeville, I think I saw them name. A Reggaeville them name. If me call the name wrong, I go do a cut screen and put it in right here. I don't remember if a Reggaeville, but I think a Reggaeville them name. Them upload strictly reggae. You contact them, pay them a money, and them upload your song for you. Because at the end of the day, they have like a huge subscriber count. Alright. Now, Vivo Create, which Vivo mean Video Evolution. Vivo is a company created by Warner Brothers and Sony Music. And then after that, other companies and stuff come on board. So right now in today 2022, there are a number of companies that involve Vivo, even YouTube / Google, because you know Google own YouTube. Them get one little cut off of some money and ray. Now, where the artists them start though, and this became popular to the Jamaican space about 2014, 15, 16, somewhere there, where every independent artist have their Vivo or a music page. Now, a Vivo or a music page is somewhat different than the channel that you are watching now, right? A Vivo page, the earnings from that Vivo page, so all of the song we upload every time it play, whatever, every earning from that Vivo page do not go directly to the person who own it. Let me explain better because I want to follow me, you know. Zine? So let's say Chaddy is an artist and Chaddy own a Vivo page. Me have my own artist Vivo page, right? The songs that me upload on that Vivo page, I am not going to get paid directly from YouTube or from Vivo. No. I am going to get paid from my distributor because I'm going to give the distributor the song and then the distributor I go upload it on YouTube. Or we see in recent times where like the artists then get access to their Vivo where they can do their own upload. But once the song is properly distributed, me now will get no money from it directly from YouTube. Me I get from the distributor. So Gage across this YouTuber now, I say the YouTuber are robbing earnings. And not even know say the Umbre page not even monetized, bro. Me not understand that. Back in the days, you know, I wanna see him one used to run down YouTube and them and run down this man over here, so that them on the run there, so for upload on the thing, you know. That is before everybody have them independent Viva and I grow them independent channel now, you know. And them they used to upload songs. People who never listen to a song and in the middle of the song you hear Accuse Entertainment. Enough of the song them will upload onto Accuse Entertainment. Them wasn't even properly distributed. Not even the artists themselves have the rightful masters or even the producer. Like nobody now have the song. The song is just available upon Accuse. No, if Accuse ever delete him channel, a whole heap of artists get them biggest song and it depend Accuse Entertainment. So please explain to me, how is it that Accuse would not get earning from a song with copyright? Does that make sense, Gage? Gage, a long time you're in a business, you know, bro. Should I know them things, you know? Me not understand. I feel like y'all try to say something else. Brother, that way y'all try to say, it don't make no sense at all. It don't make no sense. Me can upload one Vibes Cartel or one Gage or one Alkaline on my YouTube channel as long as it's not blocked. See? And me now gonna make no earning from that video. All of the earnings from that video, I will go to the distributor, we turn around, I go pay the artist, producer, everybody we involved in the song. So Accuse Arabia, me no understand. How can Accuse gain from a song where properly produced and properly out there. Unless your song never out there like that, bro. But then again, the channel is not monetized because that channel cannot be monetized by YouTube. In order for that channel monetized, Accuse would have to delete everything off of that channel and start put up content like this where you watch right now. Because them now go monetize it. Because too much copyright content is on there. I feel like say the artists them, producer them, everybody were involved in the music industry, you need to do your own research. I see a post, and I think I even Gage said earlier, where like him say, where you go forget the knowledge, or where you go forget this and brother, we in a 2022. Knowledge is at your fingertips. Sometimes if we load the Instagram them and we load the little rare them when I make no money or put no knowledge in our sense, in our head, and try do some research for ourselves, sometimes it will come out better for we, G. Me I tell you the truth. And I feel like some a different Accuse. Me no know Accuse. And I know say I contact him right now if he upload a video for me or a song for me or whatever, Accuse go charge me the same price. When him charge everybody else. Me no know Accuse no know me. So sometimes we need to think before we forward on the internet. Because that's the stupidest thing I ever hear in my life. And then you have some little fool when I know nothing about music. I come type this and type that and type that and rare. Anyway, let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And people, for the last time, a regular YouTuber, a person who owns a channel on YouTube, cannot rob an artist, cannot collect money off a year song we properly distribute already. If you don't ever hear any YouTuber say, yo, them get a copyright claim or anything like that, that it mean. Sometimes me upload video on my YouTube channel, I'ma play the song a little bit too long. So the algorithm where them I use pick up say one song in my video. And then me no get no ads off it. What me have to do, go in a creator studio, cut the video, like cut out the song, and hope say they monetize it, or take down the video entirely, edit it over back, make the song shorter. Because yeah, we upload video with songs in it, but you have something in fair use. By right, it would have been like 30 seconds and we can use it, but nowadays we notice are like 10 and depending on the song, because certain song heavily copyrighted more than certain song. Yeah, example like Alkaline, Popcorn, Coffee, Shensia, them people the music heavily copyrighted more than who for name I call? Me not call them more name, but more than probably one next artist or whatever the case may be. Sometimes you find you play it 15 seconds and them not say nothing, 20 seconds and them not say nothing. Go there now, you play Shensia song for 10 seconds, you get one big copyright notice. You see me? So I just say, people who want to learn from this video, send this video to some of the people who do music and don't know about music. And yes, I say me I go to like a music business tutorial on my YouTube channel. I just not done gather all of the information them yet, and then I need to shoot it and things like that. Because none of them artists, who don't know nothing about music. All the producer them too, who don't know shit about the music. You see me? That's why I can say Silk Bass, Terror and Rap Silk Bass, all of them things. But that's one next topic. If you talk about one next day. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. So guess what? A one way and any other way, the wrong way. I'm gone.